Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by turning on guided access in Settings Accessibility. You do this so your game stays in one app and controls don't wander. Once enabled, set a passcode or enable Face ID. This prevents accidental exit. Make sure time limits and the accessibility shortcut are active so you can start sessions quickly with triple click. Now you're ready to launch the game and prepare to lock controls. This first step establishes control and prevents interruptions during play. With the game open, triple-click the side or home button to begin guided access. You'll see a screen where you can draw on areas to block touch input. Do this over HUD elements or menus you don't want tapped. Tap options to toggle touch, motion, volume buttons, and keyboard access. Disable what could break your session. Once configured, tap Start. You're locking the session to the game and tailoring controls so gameplay is uninterrupted and predictable. To finish, triple-click and enter your passcode, or use Face ID to end guided access so you can leave the game. If a button or gesture still responds, force quit the app and restart. If that fails, toggle guided access off in settings, then re-enable it. For recurring issues, set a short timer to auto-exit and refine options next run. This finalization keeps control reliable and gives you a clear fix when guided restrictions don't behave as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.